Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this 4MCAD training course, and the topic for today will be about the print options. So to print, we mentioned it already, we can do it in either this model environment or in layout environment. It's the same. And basically to make the printing, we just need to go to this file menu, then plot, and you get this big dialog box with options. And which option? So we can have first a page setup, so we can add one and define a setup so that you can save and recall later. We can choose a printer, okay, from something that you have in your system, or even a printer for a PDF format, where you can define the properties under this usual or common dialog box of Windows. We can print also to a file instead of directly to the printer. So if you check this option here, choose a paper size, number of copies. We can fit to paper, so instead of using a scale, we can say maximize what we have to paper or not, or choose a scale. We can define the centering on the page or define an offset, so center, or we can define it the offset on the page also. Choosing the print area, so we can say print what is displayed, or choose a window, and then we go, if we say choose a window, then we can choose something, an area defined by 2 clicks in drawing environment, or simply say also the limits of our drawing. We can select print area also here, so nothing special. We can have also the use of print style tables, which we are going to see a little bit deeper on the next lesson. About shade, we can also do it as displayed, wireframes hidden or rendered, so these options will open other things here depending on what is chosen. About layout tabs, we can scale line weight, so it is clear also because usually when we are drawing we don't see the line weights, but we can say use it for the printing. Display the printing styles, the order for printing, and hide the possibility to hide paper space entities. Last, regarding the print options, again we can print with line weights if they are defined or not. We can use the print styles in line weights or without print styles in line weights, so a couple of options about this. We can print in background, so it will do, it's a kind of a batch file or something. We can print a stamp, and in case of we do it, we can choose something. And we can save changes to the layout also. Finally, the orientation, so portrait, landscape, and print upside down. So we have these options also. When we define all of these things, just do a preview. In my particular case it is empty, so nothing to show, but we can do a preview and then do the OK. So these are very standard options for the printing. A part of them are similar to what we can do in any Windows based application.